Hey guys, welcome to Cactus Jerk. I'm Cactus Jerk and I have some stuff to unpack with you. There's a package lying in front of me and I just turn the camera around and start unpacking with you. I have no idea what it is. I have the memory of an 80-year-old like vet and it shows. So let's have a look. Oh, cool. This is cool. WWE or WWF, just how you see it. All over print. 2007. Made in UE. I don't know what that is. Ukraine, something like that. But it's cool. This is really rare. When I was a child, I had at least 30 shirts from like WWE. Back then they were like, they didn't call them themselves that yet, so it was before they changed their name. And yeah, I put them in the clothes collection, and it's one of my biggest regrets in life. They have become so valuable, so rare, that it is impossible for me to rebuild my collection. So yeah, I mean, this is the first real wrestling shirt that I got. I have another one which was a shirt from Ric Flair, and it was like a fake. It was a bootleg. So I count this as the first one. It's not super old, but it's the closest I have yet. So let me turn it around. Nice. All over. I really hope this isn't a bootleg too. Really not sure, but I hope not. And there are some more shirts here. They are a little bit more like sick. Batista. This guy worked as a wrestler like after my time. So when he was like active as a wrestler, I wasn't into WWE anymore. But I bought it anyway. I think they cost $15 for all three together. And that is okay. That's still affordable. Made in Thailand. This is the kind of shirt that I had when I was a child. They were sold at like the flea market. There were these shirt sellers, and I just wish I could go back in time just to shop there a little bit. They are amazing. Like, I really need shirts from Ultimate Warrior and Hulk Hogan and stuff like this, you know. There's another one. Batista too. This one isn't like as nice as the other one, but I still bought it because I feel like Now that he's a movie star, these old shirts might be collectible. It looks too small for me. This seems to be small, but yeah, I still got it. So this is my haul. 3 shirts, 15 bucks. Not entirely sure if that was with shipping or without. I don't recall, you know, but it was roughly around 20 bucks or so. Yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy, guys. I hope you like it too. So if you enjoy the stuff that I do, hit us up with a subscribe. Alright, take care.